Okay, we're going to remove the back cover. This takes there's 3 nuts on bolts. It takes a size 8 socket. We'll remove those 3 and take a look underneath. Alright, cover is off. On the first initial look, looks like really dirty, a little worn. So the brown piece right there you see in the middle is where the brushes are contained, and that's the housing to the brushes. We'll remove the 3 Phillips screws around that. Looks like maybe 4. And then we'll go from there. Take a look at that as well. I'm going to take that off next. Okay guys, I took the center piece out. Just the 2 screws there, removed it. You can see the brushes inside. You can see that alright. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it up and replace with the new set of brushes and test it out. Okay guys, back on working on the alternator. So let me show you real quick. This post here, there is a copper piece going around the post, so the brushes touch that. So you see it's kind of worn down. You can see some discoloration from the brushes rubbing against it. So we have to clean that either with a Scotch pad or some light sandpaper. We're going to clean that all off. And then what I want to show you is, again, so here are the old brushes. Oops. Right there. That's the old brushes. And there are the new ones. So I want to show you side by side the difference. You can see they're definitely worn down. So this should repair the alternator and get it going and keep it going for a little bit. So easy replacement. As I finish this up, I will keep recording and get more info for you. Alright, so I cleaned that off with a Scotch pad. You can see it came off really good. All I did was push this in here, and then I just spun the pulley and went 2 directions back and forth, and it got all that copper nice and shiny again for a good connection. So I'm just gonna Scotch pad a little bit here, then I'm gonna spray it off nice and clean with some brake cleaner, and then I'm gonna put the brushes in. Okay, so in order to install the brushes, what I had to do was I used a paper clip and I put it through this hole in the back of the brushes. I pushed the brushes down with a screwdriver, and I slid the paper clip out this secondary hole to hold them in place. Here's the old one, so you can see. Those push down. There's like a spring that is behind them. So push them in, and then use a paper clip to hold them in place, because then we're going to have to slide it into position over here. And it won't go into position unless those brushes are pushed back. So paper clip's going to help me out. We're going to get that done. Okay, so everything's screwed in. Got all the screws back in, got the brushes in. And you just slide the paper clip out. The brushes pop in place, and it's all secure. Okay, so I think we're kind of done with the repair. I'm going to put the cover back on, get everything together, and throw it in the car. Okay guys, all done. Back cover's back on, ready to install. Hope this helps you guys with any alternator repairs. If you like the video and it's helped you out, please click like, and any comments, I would appreciate it. Thank you. Bye-bye.